Alright, so in problem 11, we're given the regression of price on size of homes in Albuquerque has an R squared of 71.4%, and we're given 3 questions. So the first question, what is the correlation? Well, if R squared is 71.4%, then R, the correlation, is the square root of 0.714. And if you do that out, you get 0.845. Now the other thing you got to watch out for is the direction. Okay, so do we expect this to be positive or negative? We already answered that in question 7. We expect this to be positive. So it'll be positive 0.845. Okay, that's question A. Question B is, what would we expect if a house is 1 standard deviation above the mean in size? Okay, so what we would do is we would expect, if the bottom of it moved up 1 standard deviation, then we would expect this is size now, then we would expect the price to move up 0.845 times 1 standard deviation. Well, 0.845 times 1 is 0.845. So we would expect the price to be 0.845 standard deviations above the mean if the size was 1 standard deviation above the mean. In problem C, if size is 2 standard deviations below the mean, so we'll make that negative, then we'd expect price to be 0.845 times negative 2 standard deviations. And if you multiply 0.845 times 2, you get negative 1.69. So we would expect, if a house is 2 standard deviations below the mean in size, we'd expect it to be 1.69 standard deviations below the mean in price.